කියලා ඉවරයක් කරන්න බැරි තරම් නිෂ්පාදන පෙළක්. කීස් නිෂ්පාදන අරිම මිලට හොඳම තත්ත්වයෙන්.
Yoshida Rajapaksa, son of former President Mahinda Rajapaksa, was arrested on the 25th of January under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act in connection with the purchase of a 31.5 perch plot of land in the Kakatiya area of Sirimalu in Ratmalana for 34 million rupees. Rajapaksa was arrested in Beliyatha that morning and was subsequently produced before the Colombo Additional Magistrate in the afternoon, where he was remanded until today. The case was subsequently taken up before the Colombo Additional Magistrate Manjula Ratnayaka today. During the hearing, Additional Solicitor General Dileepa Piris claimed that the named purchaser of the property, Daisy Forrest, who is Yoshida Rajapaksa's grandmother, lacked sufficient financial means to acquire such a high-value asset. Investigations revealed that until 2012, she did not own any immovable property, raising concerns about her ability to purchase the land. A significant disclosure was made regarding the deed of the property, which was reportedly found in the possession of a person named Palitha Gamage. According to statements from Daisy Forrest, Gamage, who is alleged to have connections with former President Mahinda Rajapaksa, paid 24 million rupees for the property. However, Gamage denied those claims, claiming instead that he had given 12.5 million rupees as a bribe to a person named Chatura, an associate of former President Rajapaksa, to secure a road development tender. When he later demanded the return of his money, he was given the deed to the property. Subsequently, Additional Solicitor General Piris detailed Yoshida Rajapaksa's alleged connection to the property. At the time of the transaction, Rajapaksa was reportedly in a romantic relationship with Yasara Abe Nayaka, whose uncle Vasanta Jayasuriya initially intended to purchase the property. According to Jayasuriya's testimony, Yoshida Rajapaksa transferred 34 million rupees to secure the deed for the property. The court was also informed of other ongoing investigations related to Yoshida Rajapaksa, including cases involving a land purchase in the Dehiwala area and the CSN company, where money laundering involving sums of 17 million rupees and 34 million rupees had been uncovered. Based on those revelations, the Additional Solicitor General requested that the court obtain a formal statement from Yoshida Rajapaksa and remand him for further investigations. However, President's counsel Sampath Mendis, representing Yoshida Rajapaksa, filed a bail application, arguing that investigations have remained incomplete even after 8 years. He pointed out that the first suspect in the case had already been granted bail and that the same consideration should apply to his client. After reviewing submissions, Additional Magistrate Manjula Ratnayaka stated that the available evidence did not warrant remanding the suspect for further investigation. The magistrate criticized the CID's inefficiency, particularly in failing to freeze the property in question, which is a standard procedure under the Money Laundering Act. The court, however, concluded that there was sufficient evidence to proceed with the case under the Money Laundering Act, but granted Yoshida Rajapaksa bail. He was released on 2 personal bail bonds of 50 million rupees each, with conditions including a travel ban and a warning to not influence witnesses. The case is scheduled to be called again on the 16th of May.
ඒක අහන්න ඕනේ නියෝජ්‍ය ආරක්ෂක අමාත්‍යවරයාගෙන් මොකද රාත්‍රියේ කරපු සාකච්ඡාවේ මම හිටියේ නැහැ. පාර්ලිමේන්තුවේ කෑ ගහන්නේ මමනේ. හිරේ යන්නේ මල්ලි.
දැනට අවුරුදු 8කට කලින් පමණ තමයි සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ.
This case was filed 8 years ago. Until now, Yoshida Rajapaksa was not identified as a suspect in the case. Typically, before filing charges against someone in the High Court, it is crucial to obtain a statement from the suspect. Accordingly, the Attorney General has instructed the police to record a statement from him. If there are no concerns about the investigation under the provisions of the Bail Act, and if he is not a flight risk, granting bail is the standard procedure. Being discharged on bail does not mean you are acquitted.
අපදීම තමයි සාමාන්‍ය ස්වභාවය. අප දෙනවා කියන්නේ නඩුවෙන් නිදහස් වෙනවා කියන එක නෙමෙයි.